Apollo 8 glided on silently, farther from Earth than man had ever before been, a microscopic dot of life in the cosmic void.
Face of the waters, and God said, "Let there be light."
The crew also made a televised Christmas Eve broadcast in which they read the first 10 verses of the book of Genesis. This broadcast was the most watched in history at the time.
And the evening and the morning were the first day. And God said, "Let there be a firmament in the midst."
The choice to spend Christmas Eve in lunar orbit was made because that was the time of optimal lighting conditions for surveying the Apollo landing site 1. During the mission, astronauts took photos of the Earth from the Moon, including the second Earthrise picture, which was higher quality than the Earthrise taken previously by the lunar orbiter.
Apollo 8, Houston, what does the old moon look like from 60 miles, over?
Okay, Houston, the moon is essentially gray, no color, looks like plaster of Paris, or sort of a grayish beach sand. We can see quite a bit of detail. The craters are all rounded off. There's quite a few of them. Some of them are newer. Many of them look like, especially the round ones, look like hit by meteorites or projectiles of some sort.
Okay, 11, we have a picture. We see the Earth right in the center of the screen, over.
During these TV transmissions, the astronauts also provided a verbal commentary to accompany the footage being broadcast. Contrary to popular belief, these broadcasts were not extemporaneous or improvised performances. Rather, both the footage and dialogue were entirely scripted out prior to the flight. The Apollo cover story was specifically designed to allow those missions to be conducted in the public eye, while at the same time actively concealing the fact that evidence of intelligent extraterrestrial life might have been discovered in space and on the Moon. The scripting protocols followed during the Apollo program were for the most part highly effective at ensuring the astronauts did not divulge any sensitive information while they communicated over the public radio channel with Houston. However, when the astronauts were not in radio contact with Mission Control, they did on occasion make some unscripted and rather candid comments to each other about what they were observing outside their spacecraft. These comments were captured by a device mounted inside the Apollo Command and Service module that was known as the Data Storage Equipment Recorder, or DSE. The Apollo DSE was essentially a black box cockpit voice and telemetry recording system. In addition to recording a variety of spacecraft parameters, the DSE's 14-track tape also recorded many internal crew conversations that took place when the astronauts were not communicating with Mission Control. Although it is presumed that the recordings were destroyed or lost, the transcriptions were made at NASA by the woman shown in this image and others. And although they were originally classified, those transcripts can be found today in the NASA archives. Many of the comments captured by the DSE were made when the spacecraft was behind the far side of the Moon, with the astronauts describing various sights not visible from Earth.